Hello, it's Marco here from Markom3D, and in this video we're going to break down my animated short film Wrong Jumper. Now if you haven't seen it, go watch it first and then come back and we'll see how we kind of went through the process of making it. Now I had 4 voiceovers. I had Curtis Holt, CG Matter, Carl Poiser and Lil Lanny, and all those guys are linked below, so if you want to go check them out, go check them out. Now let me just start off. What we'll do is we'll press play. Now in this first bit, this is all using Reallusion's character creator. Now it turned out pretty good. I used the facial motion capture and the body motion capture. This was just a fairly simple flyby scene. Quite like it actually. I kind of did that Battlestar Galactica feel. I feel like I should have really done some more composition here. I left it very, very flat. Also, the camera shaking shouldn't have been like that. It should have been the camera all stationary and the whole ship should have actually been twisting. I like this shot. Something more should have been happening with the warps, I think. I really should have been putting bright lights or something. A little bit more banter. I think the script lacked a little bit. There was lots of errors around this place and I don't understand why. We can see down the bottom here of his shirt and some clipping here. The smooth modifier was on. There was no edge split modifier or anything, so I'm not too sure what happened here, but kind of took it away from me, unfortunately. If we continue on, so some of these assets I actually created live. Now we can see in the background here, kind of the whole ship is kind of like really rough as guts. Like you can see that it's kind of moving. It's not crisp. That's because of the denoiser. Now that was something I didn't pick up, unfortunately, through the first pass. Only watching it again on YouTube, I really noticed this flicker. So that's one thing I need to be careful of next time, is actually using the denoiser. Hopefully once my 3080 comes in and I can actually render at higher samples, hopefully that'll eliminate me using a denoiser. Maybe. I did like that idea of, you know, the sun there. We can see the denoiser issue, but that was like a really, really bad drawback. Now this whole chase scene I actually really liked. Now we've got a playlist of tutorials on actually how to create this camera effect, the whole particle system, the movement, and so on and so forth, and I'll link that down below. This shot here kind of worked okay. I do like the ship coming in. I think that's quite nice. Once again, the denoiser really annoys me. So these explosions here. Now this is something interesting here, is these are all 2D planes. I don't know how many people actually picked up on that. Once again, the denoiser really stuffed me up. But that, I'm actually really happy how that turned out. It's not actually a volumetrics. It's not manta flow and creating sparks. I didn't use the Khaos add-on here. It's more, I just got 2D assets of explosions and sparks and so on, and kind of just layered them up. Now the issue is the big ones didn't really work because I didn't have the ship breaking apart. I think for that shot to work really well, the ship really needed to kind of like break apart and pull itself off. So what I did here, and you can see the texture far out, what I did here is I put an explosion just outside the ship, so we kind of like had that bright light and that illuminated the whole cockpit. So that kind of was kind of a cheap shot that did work. Now, what were the main things wrong with it? I think it was a poorly written story. I really think you don't care about the character that he went somewhere else. And I mean, obviously that is my fault as a scriptwriter. I did that really poorly, and you know, I really kicked myself in the pants for that. The other thing as well is I fell out of love with this project. It got to the point where I just wanted to complete it. You know, I just wanted to get it out there. I didn't want to disappoint Carl, Tom, Carl, Britt. I didn't want to disappoint them by, you know, and they put the effort in to make their voiceovers. So it was kind of like I just wanted to get it out there, and I think that was a really bad mindset. Should I have taken another, 2-3 weeks to do it? Probably. But unfortunately, I've put on such a big time constraint on myself. So yeah. But hopefully all the other films that are coming up are quite nice. I did like Dunny Buddy. If you want to go check that one out. That was a really nice short film. And I really enjoyed making that one. I'm hopefully gonna come across some more storylines like that. The Rocket League one, I was really disappointed that it didn't perform as well, but it's a new channel, and it doesn't have the traction as my current one, but still the views are coming in, so that's really good. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps me out, keeps up to date with my content. Also jump over to Markom3D Studios, subscribe over there. There'll be a new video probably every Saturday morning for me, Friday night for you guys. But once again, thank you for the support. If you like this video, please let me know, and I'll do some more breakdowns on how I did the other short films as well. Thank you very much.